Open the glove box. Push in on the tab at the top to lower the glove box. Detach the glove box from the hinges. Push up on the two tabs to open the housing door.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1144 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down.
Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure to the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.